Hi, you're watching Infrared. So this is our tutorial on how to change a GoPro 7 Hero lens. This is a black edition to one of our replacement Nightvision 4 or 6mm lenses. So I'll just unplug the power. I'm quite low on battery at the moment. I'll spin my device around. So you've got to try and pull this lens cover whilst twisting. There's quite a knack to it, so find where you're most comfortable. So I'm pulling that out at the minute, and then you can see I'm just twisting that. So the first time you do this, pull and twist, it'll be quite difficult. So what we've got in there at the moment is one of our replacement lenses. So that's a 4mm. You can see that the previous lens is a little bit larger in diameter, and that forms a waterproof seal, so you will break the integrity a little of your waterproof seal, so it won't be as waterproof as before. However, you maintain your splash proofness through this seal here. So just get your grips, and this applies for the same lens, and in some cases you should be able to turn this just by using fingers. So as you can see there, I'll try and find a standard 12mm lens. So these are a little bit different. So we've got a clearance on the thread that allows it to fit. And like I say, we sell these in 4 and 6mm. So just secure the lens into place by giving it several turns. Just give the lens a little clean then. This front lens element are clean, so it's nice and clear. Just apply the battery. So you can focus in two different ways. You can basically plug into a HDMI into a large TV, or you can see a focus chart. Don't know whether you can, probably can't see that. We've got a focus chart just up on the wall behind, and an infrared light. But we'll just move this back down for now. So you can almost focus this by eye. I'll just get the focus chart down. So you can print these off on the internet. So basically, as you can see, it produces quite a strange little pattern when I move this around. In front of my normal camera, if I just set that up, so you can set this up at a preferred range. So when you come to focus the camera, you can see on the back there, maybe slightly different in an infrared, but you'll make sure that you've got your focus correctly set. Then there's a bit of reflection there, but you just basically so take your long nose pliers, and you can focus this in and out. So you can twist it clockwise and anti-clockwise until you reach your desired focus. So it's as simple as that, really. So the lenses, the replacement lenses, can be found on our website. So that's at infrared.co.uk, and they're available for purchase. If you do need help fitting them, we also provide a service in the UK. If you'd like to send us your camera, your GoPro, then we'll switch them out quite happily for you, and just for the cost of return postage. So the range of view, as I say there, that's a good range of view for paranormal investigation. So that's 4mm. I'll quickly switch it out. The 6mm gives a slightly more zoomed in feel. Again, I'll just show you how easy they are to remove. So we'll then take the 6mm lens, drop it into place as such. I'm saying twist it around a few times so it starts to get home at that point. You can see you can actually have it as a macro lens as well. So once it's out of focus, you can actually get right down into these. If I unscrew it a little bit more, I'll show you exactly what I mean. So you can almost have it like a microscope. Get really into that if you prefer, but we'll set this up for obviously for use in the field. So twist as far as it'll go, gently take the pliers and tweak it. Makes slow but steady changes, probably like 1/8 of a turn at a time. So if you overshoot, you can then I'm just trying to do this via the camera instead of looking at the actual GoPro itself. That's probably better. You'll start to see the circles appear. Probably just need a little bit, and let's try a little bit of outwards. There we go. So we get that effect on the GoPro screen, and when we drop the lights, let's say, you'll then see it turns into night vision mode. So the depth of field on that one, that's it's a little bit more zoomed in as well, you'll notice. Right, thank you for watching.